Hi, my name's Anita, and I live in Hillsborough, and I just finished a project with Done Right Home Remodeling. I remodeled 3 of the bathrooms in my house, a laundry room, a family room, and a bedroom. The reason that I went with Done Right Home Remodeling was Liz. She came out to my house. She has excellent communication skills. She looked at what needed to be done, walked me through the process of what it would take, how long it would take to do it, and reassured me that she would be there every step of the way to monitor the work. The crew was very sensitive to the fact that I was still living in the house while they were doing the work. They did their best to make sure that none of the other portions of the house were negatively affected by dust. It was as smooth a process as could be when you have people hammering and demolishing 3 of your bathrooms and a couple of other rooms. Liz's communication skills, as I mentioned before, are excellent. They were excellent at the beginning of the project, and she continued to demonstrate those communication skills throughout the process. She stopped by the house regularly to look at the work, and she would take a look at certain things and point out things that I hadn't noticed and say, this needs to be redone, or we need to do some tweaks on this particular area. I'm ecstatic about the results. The bathrooms had not been touched for many, many years, and it's such a joy to walk into a bathroom and see a nice modern room, fabulous design. The family room that was redone that adjoins one of the bathrooms looks fantastic. I would not hesitate to hire Done Right again, and I would definitely insist that Liz be my project manager.